Hey guys, email marketing remains the best one regarding return on investment. This is because email marketing can work on a personal level. So in this video, we will discuss in detail the importance of email marketing for your brand. The first reason is being able to send personalized content. Email marketing helps you to send heavily personalized content to your subscribers. Once someone subscribes to your newsletters, blogs, or any specific campaigns, you can send them the right email they want based on their personal preferences. The second factor for the importance of email is that it can increase your sales. When you send a set of highly personalized emails, the chances are higher that people will convert into sales. Email marketing is responsible for 19.8% of all business transactions. So email marketing helps you to increase your sales number and build a sustainable customer relationship to improve your sales. The third factor is to be able to drive traffic to your website. You can send customized emails to bring your subscribers to any specific blog or page. The more active the email list you have, the more visitors you get. The fourth reason for the need of email marketing is to be able to build a strong brand voice. It is one of the smartest ways to set your brand voice and reach people with a strategic frequency. For example, you can send a set of email campaigns offering discounts, social awareness following a global issue, and share a social activity that reflects your brand. The last factor is email marketing is affordable. Compared to other marketing channels, email marketing is highly cost-effective. But if you're using WordPress, then you can send up to 3,000 subscribers per month by using the Wemail plugin, so be sure to check it out. And that's it. We have a full blog on the importance of email marketing. The link for this is given in the description box down below. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getwemail.io and subscribe to our channel.